So I'm over here by Big K, and there's an ammo can over here in this pathway. Now it splits off right over there, and I went that way at first. There's a fence over that way. I'm like, it can't be over there. So I came across here, right, through this little beaten pathway, and in the corner of my eye, I spy there. So I gotta work my way back here to sign this ammo can. See if there's any way to just there's a lake back there. A pond. Feels light. Let's see what we got in here. Stickers, the notepad. Pretty much it. Oh, slappers. Well, I'll go ahead and sign the log now, so I guess you don't need me filming while I'm doing that. Oh, alright. I need the log first.